Alright, so for number 8 and 9, we're testing for symmetry. And the first thing we want to do is set up the graphs that we're going to use to test our equations. And down here, that'll be these right here. I'll label these the x, y, and origin. And for the x one, it'll be symmetric over the x, and then the y will be over the y, and like that. So these are the three graphs that we're going to be using. Now for number 8, what we're going to want to do is plug in a number for the x, and we'll just use a simple number like 2. So I'm going to plug in 2 squared 6, and this will equal 4y squared equals 6. And then, so for when you plug in 2, you get y equals plus or minus 6 over 4. And then plug in negative 2. And that'll work out to be the exact same answer. Skip that step right there. You get plus or minus 6 over 4. And looking at the graph, that'll be up here and down there, and then that'll be reflection over the x, the y, and the origin, which would make that answer E. So for number 9, we're going to do the exact same thing and just plug in 2 for the answer, or for the x. So I get 2 squared plus 1 over 2. That will become 4 plus 1 over 2, which is 5 halves. And then plug in a negative 2 for the same equation. And that equals 5 over negative 2, or negative 5 halves. And on a graph, positive 2 would be positive 5 halves, and negative 2 would be negative 5 halves. So you would have respect to the origin, which would make that answer